for just a minute about the fast horse sawhorse. This is it here. It's made out of heavy gauge steel, and it comes partially assembled, so that all you have to do is bolt the top rail out and mount a 2x4 if you want. Fold the legs open, set it down, and you're ready to go. It's a lot like other sawhorses. But one thing that makes it different is the patent-pending design that allows the legs to automatically adjust to be stable on any terrain, so that all four legs always contact the ground. Another difference are the optional accessories that let you pick and choose which best fit your needs. For example, the crossbar can be clamped in any position on the legs and let you turn a pair of these sawhorses into a portable workstand for almost any tool you could think of. You can set it up for any table saw from any manufacturer, so that one man can easily rip full sheets of plywood. You can set it up for a mitersaw or both. Or the shelf brackets, which can be clamped anywhere on the sawhorse. Anywhere you need a shelf. So you can customize it